$28K in total sales from a single wall art design. This AI-generated product is quietly dominating Etsy market in 2025, and almost no one is talking about it. The best part is still unsaturated. So stay with me because I'm about to show you how I use DeepSeek AI to create these high-demanding designs and how you can do the same today. Plus, I'll walk you through how you can double your revenue using Printify. Additionally, I've crafted a list of prompts you can use to start this similar business, so you can gain access to it by liking this video and commenting video like grant access. I know many people still say that selling wall art on Etsy is saturated, but trust me, some of the best selling designs are the ones you least expect. I came across these wall art designs while searching for funny bedroom wall art, and I was amazed at how high the demand was, because as I was scrolling down, I kept seeing listings with either the bestseller or popular noun tag. When I analyzed one of these designs, I realized it was a simple vintage character reacting to a bad smell or by covering their nose. But the real surprise, the review section was filled with people absolutely loving these out-of-the-box wall art designs. And because I was curious about how much these designs has generated, I analyzed its revenue using Alura, and the results were impressive. This simple digital product has brought in significant sales for the seller. But will this design still sell if you start today? Well, here's a proof. Recent Etsy reviews confirm that people are still purchasing it. Plus, results from Alura shows that the product continues to generate consistent monthly sales. Now, by paying extra attention to the designs, many of it are sold as physical products, which increase both the price and the seller's profit margin, unlike digital products which are typically priced lower. However, with print-on-demand services, you can easily streamline this process without managing inventory. By using Printify, one of the best in the field, you gain access to popular white label products that you can print your design on and sell it as custom items that truly stands out. Plus, Printify's seamless integration with platforms like Etsy allow you to design your product directly in Printify and have it automatically appear in your store. With Printify's new AI model, you no longer have to worry about creating the perfect title, description, or tags. Simply provide a brief description of your product, and Printify AI will analyze top-selling products in your niche to generate optimized titles, descriptions, and tags, helping your product rank higher on Etsy. Additionally, Printify global network of print providers ensures fast production, reliable delivery to your customers. Whether you're just starting or scaling your business, Printify provides everything you need to succeed in print-on-demand business. I've included a link in the description so you can register and follow along later in the video. But for now, let's create this design using AI. To create this wall art design using AI, I'll be using two free Midjourney alternatives, and you get to decide which one produces the best result. Before generating the images, I first turned to DeepSeek AI to craft the perfect prompt. I started by instructing it using a specific format. I need an image generation prompt based on a sample prompt I will provide. I then described the image concept and added another instruction to refine the output. DeepSeek AI generated the prompt exactly as I wanted. After copying the prompt, I moved to the Face AI platform, Ideogram AI. I pasted the prompt into the prompt box, set the aspect ratio to 2:3. Once the image was generated, these were the results I got from Ideogram. Next, I moved to the second platform, Kittl AI. After setting my dimension, I selected AI tool and pasted my prompt. I then adjusted the aspect ratio to 9:16 and chose the retro style for the final look. And here is what I got from Kittl, along with a varieties of other prompts I generated. Now, with the final image side by side, which one impressed you the most? But these are not all the prompts. I've compiled 100 more that you can use to craft similar designs. You find the link in the description, and a special shout out to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. And seeing the designs will be printed, it's crucial to avoid pixelation at all costs. To ensure the highest resolution, I usually send my wall art design to Let Enhance, which allowed me to upscale the images to the best possible quality. Once the images are upscaled, I forward them to Printify to make them print ready. But before starting, I always confirm that my Etsy store is connected for seamless integration. After that, I head to the catalog section, navigate to Home and Living, and select Poster. I always go for the ones with the bestseller tag. This particular poster has only one provider, and by clicking the info option, you can find more details about the available sizes, shipping costs, and the product specification. Now, to start designing, click on Start Designing and upload your wall art design and scale it to fit the frame better. On the right side of the screen, you see all the available sizes. But it's always a good idea to check what sizes your competitors are offering so you can include them here as well. After selecting the available sizes, make sure your design fits properly within each frame. Once all adjustments are made, click Save to finalize your design. Printify automatically sets default product information, but to optimize it, I use the AI tool, and by providing a simple description of my product, Printify AI analyzes top performing listing in my niche and generate the best title, description, and tag to help my product rank higher on Etsy. Finally, let's talk about pricing. You can select one of the sizes and manually set your own price. But it's important to check your competitors' pricing to make an informed decision. Make sure not to set it too high or too low to stay competitive. Once everything is set, click publish and your products will be automatically listed on your Etsy shop. And just like that, your first physical product is ready for sales. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the best option for starting a print-on-demand business with Printify. Remember, success on Etsy comes down to posting high-quality designs consistently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.